Hey guys, so we've got three drives here that we're converting over to our auto drive setup for the Dillon RL1100. And as you can see, we've got three eccentrics here that we've stripped down, outers from inners, because we have to have some machining done on the backside of the eccentric to allow for clearance of the roller dog. But what's interesting here is, if you notice, one of these is not like the others. Well, upon pulling this apart, what we found is the one that was made in 320. You can see the chatter marks in it from the end mill. This was actually CNC turned on an end mill, or with an end mill. The one from 420 doesn't have chatter marks, but it does have turning marks. So there's scars going across there. This wasn't done with an end mill. If it was, the machinist should be ashamed. This was most likely done with a boring bar. Because the surface finish is not very consistent. The one with the darker finish, looking at it, appears to have been ground, and this is the proper way that they all should have been done, is ground and then apparently heat treated after grinding. So, you know, most guys wouldn't have a reason to take their press apart to this extent to see what's inside, but again, due to our auto drive setup, we have to machine a groove here to allow clearance for the roller dog for when the eccentric swings around to the back side. So off to the machine shop with these three. We were doing them in-house, but it's just not practical for us on a manual mill when a CNC and a carbide end mill can do such a much nicer job. But we just thought that we'd bring this to your attention. You may want to pull your machine apart. You may, you know, may not. Dillon Precision. Go Dillon.